Ever wondered how to find the absolute highest point of something, especially when it's described by an equation? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quadratic functions to uncover their peak. Our challenge is to find the maximum value of x for the function f of x equals negative x minus 6 squared plus 4. This equation is in a special form called vertex form, which looks like a equals h squared plus k. Think of it like a secret code. The a tells us if the parabola opens up or down, and the h and k tell us the exact peak or valley point, the vertex. Let's decode our function. Here, a is -1, h is 6, and k is 4. Now let's visualize this. When we plot this function, we see a beautiful parabola opening downwards. The very top of this curve is our maximum point. And right there at the peak, we can clearly see the coordinates of our vertex, 6, 4. But what if we didn't have a graph? How do we find the x value of the maximum algebraically? We can use the formula for the axis of symmetry, which is x equals -b over 2a. First, we expand our function to the standard form, f of x equals -x squared plus 12x minus 32. Now, we can clearly see our a is -1 and our b is 12. Plugging these into our formula, we get x equals -12 divided by 2 times -1. This simplifies to x equals -12 divided by -2, which gives us x equals 6. So whether we looked at the graph or used the formula, both methods lead us to the same conclusion. The value of x, where f of x reaches its maximum, is 6. This means at x equals 6, our function f of x reaches its absolute highest point, with a value of 4.